Hi, today we are going to show you and talk about the Martiderm Platium Night Renew ampoules. They are useful for women over 45 years old when they have loss of firmness, shine, elasticity, hydration of the skin, because they have 10% of alpha hydroxy acids. They will regenerate your skin, and they must be used exclusively at night, because this component is not adequate to use with sun exposure. And it has 5% of marine collagen and hyaluronic acid, so it's very useful for hydration and structuring of your skin. It prevents the age signs, and it favors the cell renew. I'm going to show you how to use it. So you have to break the ampoule. It was already broken because I made a Portuguese version previously. So you put the applicator and just let it drop. You can apply it at your face, at your neck, and at your chest, because you have to use the whole ampoule at night. Martiderm has some ampoules that you can use day and night, and you can use half at the morning and half at night. But this one is also is only to use at night. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.